Hi guys, I'm Michael from Connells and today I've got a beautiful little gem to show you. Welcome to Works.
You've been waiting up all night, heavy breathing, dim the light. I've been waiting right outside.
So today I'm going to show you this stunning 2-bed, 1-bath duplex apartment with many original features, including its Grade 2 listed windows and this fantastic spiral staircase for the amazing price of $230,000. The property comes with many added features, including underfloor heating, this amazing family kitchen, complete with breakfast bar, and as an added bonus, a built-in hot tap. No more boiling the kettle.
I talked to him yesterday. He promised he would come.
Works is based here on Princess Street, and with property development on the high rise in the area, we anticipate property prices doing exactly the same. So don't miss out on your viewing today. Call Connells on 0121 212 0800.